Okay, good morning. Let us start. Next concept, Quinn-McCluskey method of simplification of digital functions. Okay, in short form, we call this as QM method. Okay, you can expect this question for 8 to 10 marks. Okay, you can expect this for 8 to 10 marks. It is extended version of K-map simplification. Okay, so the previous method, K-map method, is used for four variables digital functions. If a digital function has 5 or more variables, 5 or more variables, then we choose QM method of simplification. Okay, so this problem will be for 8 to 10 marks. Okay, it is a very important one. Now, okay, let's take a function. y1 is digital function of 3 variables. It is high for 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, now let's start the step-by-step procedure of simplification using QM method. Okay, now step number 1. Okay, so this one, try to write smallest font problems. Okay, font numericals, so that you can finish in one window. Okay, so fine. So now step number 1, write down the variables C, B, A, 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. That means 1, 2 and 4. Okay, these are the levels. Now, write down the numbers in increasing order vertically if they are given in shuffle. Okay, writing in increasing order or in order is very compulsory. Okay, so what is the first smallest number here? 0, next one, 2, next 4, next 6. 0, 2, 4, 6. Now write down the representation. 0 means 000. Okay, then 2 means 0, 1, 0. Okay, then 4 means 1, 0, 0. Then 6 means 1, 1, 0. Okay, 6 means 1, 1, 0. So this is called step 1. Okay, once you finish the step 1, separate it by a line so that you will get different levels. Okay, some of the you can write like this also for your reference. Okay, now step 2. Again A, B, C, 2 raised to 0, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 4. Okay, 1, 2 and 4. Now listen carefully. This level onwards, the step 2 onwards, we are going to divide subset based on the parameter number of ones in a representation. Okay, number of ones in the representation. The representation means this one, 000, 010, 100, 110. These are the representation of 0 to 4 and 6. Okay, now here I will write. Okay, so this is called the level. Okay, here we call it as level 0. No need to mention for your reference I am writing this. Okay, level 0. So definition of level 0 is equal to there must be 0 number of ones. There must be 0 number of ones. That is definition of L0. See here. How many ones here? How many ones? No ones. No ones means 0 number of ones. Here, one number of 1. That is in the B position. Here, one number of 1 in the A position. Here, two number of 1s in A and B position. Now, what we are writing is L0. L0 indicates what? L0, there must be 0 number of ones. That means 0, 0, 0. Once you take a number from previous step to next step, don't forget to put the pass mark. It is very, very important. Okay? So now, here 0 number of ones, 1 number of 1, again 1 number of 1, 2 number of ones. So now, no entry will be there in the L0, hence L0 is completed. Now I am going to write definition for L1. Okay, so here I will give L1. What is the definition of L1? There must be exactly one number of ones. That is I. L1. Okay. Take a horizontal representation. Count the number of ones. How many ones here? 1. Hence, that will get entry in L1. What is that entry? 0, 1, 0. What is notation? 2. Here, for your reference, you write notation 0 and 2. Okay? So next. So we did 2. We left with 2 more numbers. 4 and 6. Between 4 and 6, which belongs to L1? Which belongs to L1? See, here one number of 1 is there. Hence, what is the representation? 1, double 0, and what is it? Its equivalent number 4. That belongs to L1 set. Okay, so L1 is written. Here I have wrote 4. Make practice of writing in parenthesis. That is also important. Okay, now. Any other symbol with 1 number of ones? No. So, L1 finished. L1 level finished. Let us write L2 definition. Definition of L2. There must be exactly 2 number of ones. There must be exactly 2 number of ones. See, how many ones here in this representation? 2. So what is it? 1, 1, 0. So what is the number? 6. So clear the 6. What is set definition? L2. Okay. So now what happened here? We have divided into 3 subset. Earlier the problem consisting of 4 values. What they were? 0, 2, 4, 6. Now we have got L0 set, L1 set, L2 set. Okay. What is definition of L0? L0 definition. There must be exactly 0 number of ones. So what is that number? 0 only. What is L1? There must be exactly 1 number of ones. So we have 2 as well as 4. Definition of L2. There must be exactly 2 number of ones. L2 6. See, 0, 2, 4, 6 are divided into 0 separate, 2, 4 separate, 6 separate. We got 3 different sets. Okay. So in the step 2, in the step 1, we will write the given numbers in increasing order. In step 2, we will write in different groups. Now comes Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Okay. So now it should be take place between L0 with L1. Okay. So here I will write first general definition. Ln with Ln plus only. So this statement is important. Ln with Ln plus 1 only. So now what L can be? 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Now substitute here smallest value L0 with L1. Okay, because it is 0 plus 1, that is L1. Now if I substitute 1 here, I will get L1 with L2. If I substitute 2 here, L2 with L3. There won't be L0 with L2. This is wrong. Okay, so that means this is not possible. L1 with L3, that is also not allowed. Okay, now that means what we should not compare one level with other if there is one more intermediate level. Is it clear? Okay, so fine. Now here I have wrote the complete set 0, 2, 4, 6. So we have got 3 sets L0, L1, L2. What is L0? 0, 2, 4, and here we have got 6. Okay, now substitute the Cartesian set possibilities. So here 0 into 2, 4. Next 2, 4 into 6 in the other set. So there is no L3, hence L2 with L3 will not exist. Okay, now let us write possibilities here or else here. So Cartesian product means what? You remember in your DMS. See here, PQ in one set, RS in another set. Cartesian products will be PR, PS, QR, QS. Okay, this is how we have to think. Okay, so fine. Now here 0 to 0, 0 to and 0, 4. Next 2, 6, 2, 6 and 4, 6. Is it clear? 2, 6 and 4, 6. These are the possibilities. This you have to calculate in your mind. This you should not write. Only this procedure we have to write. So I am giving you in this all part because it is a first problem. Second thing, you have to do all this in your mind. Okay. So it will come by practice. Don't worry. Okay. Now okay, so rewrite step number 3. Again A, B, C, 2 raised to 0, 1 and 2, 4 to 1. Is it clear? Okay, now what is the first comparison? 0 to 2. Okay, now I will write one definition. Step number 1. given all given numbers. See, all given numbers. Step 2, subset based on number of ones. Okay. Step 3, comparison based on exactly one number of ones difference. Okay. Step 3 definition. Comparison based on exactly one number of ones difference. Okay. So carefully you listen and follow the work. See now, you take this possibility of Cartesian product. What is this possibility? 0, 2. Okay. So you take here. When you go for the further future problems, you have to do orally. Since it is the first time, I will show. Okay. So now I put this 0, 2. What is the representation of 0? 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. How you have represented 2? 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. So over this, what we have? A, B and C. Now, here the step 3 will get a pair called 0, 2 or 0, 4. Okay. If the two numbers representation, in that the difference is exactly 1 bit. 1 bit. See here. What is A here? What is A in the both side? Same. What is C in the both side? It is also same. So we have got out of 3 bits, 2 are same. 2 bits are same. What is 1 bit? See, this is what difference. This is what difference. See, one side it is 0, one side it is 1. So out of any number of bits, if it is 3, 2 should be same, 1 should be different. If it is 4, 3 should be same, 1 bit should be different. Now we have got 1 different. If such two numbers, what is the number? 0 with the 2 occurs, write 0, 2 here, because the 0 and 2 has difference of 1. Okay. And put a pass mark here in the previous step and write now the simplified format. See, concentrate. So what is definite result of A? 0. What is definite result of C? That is also 0. So what happened for B? B changed 1 time 0, 1 time 1. So for that reason, we will write it as hyphen. We will write it as hyphen. So what is the combination of 0, hyphen, 0? Okay, let us check. So that we have done. 0, 2 is done. Okay, so now what is next? 0 with 4. Take 0 and 4. Let's check this. So A, B, C. Here 0, here 4. Okay, what is the notation of 0? 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. What is the notation of 4? 1, double 0. 1, double 0. Okay. So now, how many differences and how many similarities? See, what about this BC? 0, 0. So what is definite thing about BC? 0, 0. What about A? It has changed. If a variable is changed, we will write with hyphen. So now, what is the new tuple now? Hyphen 0, 0. Hyphen 0, 0. What is the name of that tuple? See, 0 with 4. 0, 4. 0 is already pass mark, so no need to pass mark. or else twice the pass mark. 4 has now selected. 4 is now selected. So now what is a group? Group 0, 2 and 0, 4. Now the comparison is done between L0 with L1. So one level of N substitution completed. So I will put thick line for differencing. I will put thick line for differencing. Okay, fine. Next, how about next possibilities? See, I have done between L0 with L1. That is done. Now continue with L1 and L2, because you know in the previous formula L1 into L1 plus N. Sorry, Ln into Ln plus 1. So what we have substituted earlier? We have substituted 0 with 1. Now I am substituting 1. If I substitute N as 1, what happens here? L2. L1 with L2. Okay, L1 with L2. Now L1 is here and L2 is here. So what are the possibilities? 2, 6, 4, 6. Let us take one by one. So what is 2, 6? Here for your reference, again I will write in this problem. This side 2, this side 6. Is it clear? Okay, fine. What is 2 here? 0, 1, 0. 1, 0. That is 2. What is 6? 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. Is it clear now? Compare. What about C? Same. What about B? Same. How it is? B is in 1, C is in 0. What about A? A is changer. Hence, we write with hyphen. If a variable changes, we write with hyphen. If a variable does not changes, we will write in which format it is occurring in both sides. See here, it is occurring in 1, hence we write 1. It is occurring in 0 in both sides, hence we write it as 0. So now, what is the representation for 2, 6? Hyphen 1, 0. What is the name of group? 2, 6. 2 is already selected, so even we select now, no problem. 6 is now selected because it participated in some comparison for the next step. Okay, 2, 6 is done. Let us check for 4, 6. Okay, so here A, B, C. This side 4, this side 6. What is the notation of 4? 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. 6, 1, 1, 0. Okay, can you write the group? See, what is A? Same, hence it is 1. What is C? Same, hence it is 0. What about B? Changed, hence it is hyphen. So what is a group name called? 4, 6, 1, hyphen, 0. Here I will write 1, hyphen, 0. Group name is 4, 6. Okay, 4, 6. Now, once you write next level, go through with the previous level or previous step. Find out any non-pass marked number. If you found, make a circle. Make a circle. Here, in this level, all are pass marked. Hence, no circling. In this level, all are pass marked. No circling of that complete number. Is it clear now? Okay. So fine. Now, that finishes step 3. Now we are writing step 4. Okay. What are the variables? A, B, C. Okay. Here I will write A, B and C. For your reference, you can write the values. Okay. So now, here I will write definition of step 4. Hyphen must match plus also one more change in the bit. Hyphen must match. Also, one more change in the bit or bits. Okay. So now, next thing, 0 to 26, 0 to 46. That we have to think. Okay. So now, what is the first condition? Hyphen must match. So that means, where is hyphen in first number of a first set? The same position hyphen should be in second number's comparison. Okay, now comparison is happening like this: 0 to a set with 2 6, 0 to with 4 6. Okay, here I will write 0 to. If you do like this, this is S1, this is S2. Again, think about Cartesian product. Okay, now what is how many elements in S1 and S2? Here, 2 elements, 0 to 0 4. This we have to think as a whole. You should not think 0 separate, 2 separate, because both are coming together. If you pick something, it has a 0 and a 2. If you pick one more, you will get 0 and 4 together. So what you will get in S2? 2 6 together, 4 6 together. You cannot separate now 0 and 2. Both are occurring together. Okay? Now, see here. If you assign them like capital A, capital B, capital C and D, what is the Cartesian product? AC, AD. See, AC and AD. One more side, BC with BD. BC with BD. This is what? Cartesian product possibility. So what will be the full term? Full term. A means what? 0 2. C means 2 6. So AC means what? 0 2 2 6. So 2 is repeated. So 0 2 6. I will write here. A means 0 2. C means 2 6. Hence AC means 0 2 and 6. Is it clear? Okay. What about A into D? What is A means 0 2, D means 4 6. Hence, total A into D means 0 to 4 6. Similarly, what is B meaning? 0 4. C meaning 2 6. So what is B into C meaning? 0 4 2 6. Okay. So what is B into D definition? 0 4 4 6. Okay. So now let us check the condition of fourth set or fourth step. Hyphen must match. So where is hyphen here? Hyphen is present in D position. Is hyphen present here in a B position? No. Hence matching is not done. So what about same? I checked with A, C. Now I am checking A, D. If you give the names as A, B, C and D. Now you think about AC. Hyphen does not matches. You think about AD. Hyphen matches. Hence, if hyphen matches, first we have to write down hyphen. Later we have to think. So where is hyphen now? B position is hyphen. Hence here I will write B position as hyphen. Okay. So now I will write here 0 hyphen 0. This one. 1 hyphen 0. See, this is what? 0 2 and 4 6. This is what? ABC. Okay. So now you see. What is this? Same. How about this? 2 same. So what is same? Hyphen. What is here? 0. Hence, what is this? That will also become hyphen. So here, what we have to write? This hyphen and this hyphen matches. This 0 and 0 matches. Hence, C position will be 0. What about A position? 0 here, 1 here. If we get 0 and 1, now we have to write that as hyphen. So now, what is complete set? A, D, complete set. Complete set means 0, 2, 4, 6. 0 to 4, 6. Pass for 0 to pass mark for 4, 6. Okay. Now, see, no need of horizontal line here because still we are comparing with BC and BD. Okay. Don't write separate line. Now, what is BC? BC. Now you check. Where is hyphen in the B? A position. Where is hyphen in the C? That is also A position. Hence, hyphen matches. Where the hyphen matches is in the A position. Okay. Now, how about C? Here. How about C? 0, 0. So here I will write 0, 0. Okay. What about the B position? One side 0, one side 1, and second alpha. Okay. What is the total group name? Group name 0, 4, 2, 6. 0, 4, 2, 6. Both are same. Hence, even if you write one time, it is okay. Fine. Okay. Now, once you write next column, check previous step. Any unpassed, because I will pass now because it is participated with 0, 4. So this has been selected. Is it clear? No turn unpassed, hence no circling. So now no comparison is available. So that is a solution. So what is the solution? How to write now? Final solution. Y1 is a digital function. It is high for 0 to 4 and 6. The function is, so this is important. What is A? Hyphen, so neglect. What is B? Hyphen, so neglect. What is C? 0. If a variable occurs in terms of 0, we write that as complement. See, simple solution. So, how to verify this, whether our problem is correct or not? Use K-map. See. Okay, here are 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 0 will get 1, 2 will get 1, 4 will get 1, 6 will get 1. As far